This is SGD Times bringing news from the campus bus to the world. I'm Arzu Sood. Here's what's making headlines. SGT University successfully conducts basic implant course in collaboration with 32 Pearls. SGT University students gain hands-on experience at National Dope Testing Laboratory. RBI to issue new 50 rupee bank notes with Governor Sanjay Malhotra's signature. Here's a detailed look at our stories. The Department of Prosthodontics at SGT University, in association with 32 Pearls, conducted Module 1 of the Basic Implant course. This session provided participants with essential knowledge and hands-on training in implant dentistry. We bring you the details.
The session focused on fundamental implantology techniques, equipping participants with theoretical insights and practical experience. With expert faculty guidance, attendees engaged in live demonstrations and hands-on training, enhancing their clinical expertise. This initiative reflects SGT University's dedication in fostering excellence in dental education and advanced clinical practices. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
SGT University's MPT sports students visited the National Dope Testing Laboratory to explore advanced doping detection techniques. We'll dive into the highlights.
Students gained first-hand exposure to LCMS, GCMS and GCIRMS techniques used in anti-doping tests. They also learned about hormone analysis for doping detection. An interactive session with Dr. P.L. Sahu provided insights into ethical sports practices and doping control. This visit strengthened their understanding of anti-doping science, reinforcing SGT University's focus on practical learning. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's the next in the news. The Reserve Bank of India will soon release Rs 50 bank notes in the Mahatma Gandhi New series, featuring the signature of newly appointed Governor Sanjay Malhotra. Let's take a closer look at the story.
The new 50 rupee bank notes will maintain the same design as previous issues, with older 50 rupee notes remaining legal tender. Sanjay Malhotra took over as RBI Governor on December 11, 2024, succeeding Shaktikant Das after his 6-year tenure. Before joining the RBI, Malhotra served as India's Revenue Secretary. In his first Monetary Policy Committee meeting, he announced a 25 basis point rate cut, reducing the repo rate to 6.25%, the first reduction after 12 consecutive policy reviews. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps-up today's bulletin. SGT Times bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more news that matters.